Ready, low? Got it to 88. Ooh, go low. Go low. Wee. Wee. Ah. Wee.
Lord Jesus.
Go low, go low, go. Come on. We got duck and dives. Ready?
Oh my God. Car sick. Getting car sick. Hello, are you enjoying this?
Love. What we teach you, love. You ready? Roll. Ready? Roll. Yay. Uh-oh, we got a turn up here, Lo. You ready? You ready? Oh, you better get ready. Oh, you better get ready. Oh, yeah, you better get ready.
Yeah, we...
Get ready, Lo.
Nauseous.
Here you go.
Big kids in the car. Yeah, that sign says keep it moving. And there they go. Oh my God. Poor car in front of us.
Lo, you supposed to say we.
Hands on the wheel, Jesus.
You supposed to say we.
Are you gonna say we?
Oh, bag.
You don't know? You gonna say we? Why not?
Gotta go we, Lo.
Why not? No, okay. But you're not gonna say we?
Alright, here we go, Lo. Ready? We.
Are you thinking about it? You said Jesus, Lo. You and your daddy in them curves.
Whoa. Oh.
You gonna say we?
What happened, yo?
What happened?
Oh, I just saw flashing.
What, baby? I know. What are we saying, we, Lo? I don't know what you're talking about. You gonna blow me kisses?
No, Bunny, what we do? We go roll tie. Roll.
Yes, baby.
Yay.
Yay. You like Bama? Tied. You almost got it. True Bama fan. Just keep trying.
Just keep trying. Just keep
You
trying.
say your ABCs? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X. What? Why am I being shushed? Look, I don't want to hush. You shush. Are we arguing? Can I speak? Lo, do I get a chance to speak? Fine. I love you. Do I get to talk in the car? Fine. Love you. Okay. Do I get to talk in my... Can I talk in my own car?
We.
Okay, nobody gets to talk in the car then. Love you. Why can't I talk in the car, Lo? You shh. Fine. I'll hush. But what if I want to sing in my own car? La la la